I am learning English language and I can help you how you can learn English language, how you can gain confidence, how you can speak confidently. Because I was the student of madrasa, I completed my all education from Islamic Center. There is not any word of no, English language, but now I can speak confidently. I can express my thought. I can share my knowledge. So you need a topic. Many people comment, that I don't have an environment, I don't have a partner, even in a place, I don't have any kind of environment for practice. How it's possible for me to practice and how I can gain my confidence? How can I become a fluent speaker? So minimum you have a wall source means you are completing your education in school or college. There you have minimum on subject in about English books. But in my case, I was not a single word about English language. But I also learned in this situation English language. Now I am also expressing my thought. I can't say that I am expert. No, I am learner. I am also enjoying the learning process and I want to become a learner my entire life. Because when people think himself I am a learner, that time really he is growing himself in his life. But which day someone thought means today I become a teacher, that day he stopped learning. When a people stop his learning, his example as a dry tree. Dry tree cannot give us fruit, cannot give us oxygen, cannot give us shadow. So I will be a proud on myself to being a learner my entire life. So first things you need a topic and try to start talking about this topic. So today I will share with you a very sad moment in my life. And today, because last day my sister she born and she birthed a baby, but unfortunately this baby could not survive her life and she died. Really, it is a very sad moment. And finally, we all went this place and we all completed on her last ceremony. And we also completed her all funeral. Really, it was a very painful moment for a mother when she nourished on baby in his stomach and arm 1 full year. How many pain he bear, how many nights he did not sleep for this baby. But finally he birthed, but this baby could not survive her life. And we also believe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because we believe everything everything come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because whatever possible for us we did everything, but after that she died. That's mean she does not have her life. So we have to accept the you know decision of Allah. We have to obey the order of Allah. So it was really very sad moment for us. But as for consistency, as for my curiosity, I came here for making video and I am recording myself, because almost 25 is going to end and we will enter in 2026. How many promises we did in 2025 we could not complete, all are remain. Now we are realizing what we got and what we lost. So, but before entering 2026, I want to take a word to myself know how I spend my life in 2025. I will totally change inshallah ta'ala my lifestyle, my food style and my thought style. And how I was spending my life in previous time, I want to do something totally opposite of them. And I want to see the result. So I hope you will support in my journey and you will support me. So guys, you saw I started recording myself and I was talking about how you can improve your English communication. I also gave a demo real life, means every day we have a situation when you will start talking and when you will start describing your situation in English language, so automatically you will have an idea how to speak. And also I also summarized the you know story, and I was also talking with confidently. Yes, I also made mistake, doesn't matter, but when I will continue that, one day I will speak confidently and without mistake. So don't fear from mistake, do unlimited mistake, face your mistake, then you will become a confident. So for today, that is enough. Tomorrow we will come with a new topic and with a new session. I hope that video will give you more benefit. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.